Hello, I'm Nadia McLeod from Emery Legal Kits, and we help you cut your legal costs with our online template kits. If a company wants to buy your product to sell it on to customers, they are known as resellers. A reseller agreement sets out the deal between you and this company or individual. It can deal with prices, ownership, privacy, and liability concerns. A reseller agreement is legally binding. It governs sales, marketing, and support of the product. It can protect you from some liability claims and anticipates many of the issues you may face. The agreement explicitly sets out the details about costs, ownership, and privacy. It is essential to establish in such arrangements that the reseller is not an agent and does not represent the supplier. Clearly defined relationships are important regarding liability, advertising, and the supplier's relationship with the final customer. Generally, a product's ownership does not change until the reseller has paid in full. This is true even if the product has been on-sold to a third party. Likewise, the reseller generally organises transport. They become liable for the quality of the goods once they have been picked up from the supplier. If a television falls off the back of a truck, the reseller, not the supplier, pays for the damages. Most importantly, the price of products should be a part of the reseller agreement, with a clear written explanation of what the reseller is to be given and for what price. There is usually a clause that allows price changes with 60 days notice, with the reseller able to end the contract rather than accept the new prices. A well-prepared agreement includes when and how parties may end a contract. Standard clauses include the ability to terminate an agreement if either company changes ownership, if there has been a breach of confidentiality, or if both parties agree to end the relationship. There are subtleties to reseller agreements, and a poorly written clause may cost you money or fail to protect you from liability. Emery offers templates that have been professionally drafted by Australian lawyers. These templates can be used as often as required and will save you thousands in legal fees. For further information about reseller agreements, check out the link to our article below. And if you want to solve simple legal problems, cut costs, and take control of everyday issues, please subscribe to our channel.